Hello everyone! Hi! My name is Chelsea from K-Water Quiz TV, and I'm here with you all for another fun quiz time! I say ready, you say go! Ready, go! I am a type of food. I am a type of sandwich. My filling is a type of egg salad. In the egg salad, you will find mayonnaise or mayo for short. You can spread mustard and honey on the bread. Have you already guessed what food I am? I will now give you the biggest hint with cooking time! Everyone, are you ready to cook? Yeah? Okay, I say ready, you say go! Ready, go! Okay, first, let's take a look at our ingredients. We need egg salad, 2 slices of bread, and honey. Great! Now, let's start cooking. First step, place your 2 slices of bread on a plate, like this. You will need a knife. Be careful of your fingers. Take some of your egg salad onto your knife and spread the egg salad onto the bread. Ready? Go! Spread, spread, spread the egg salad, spread, spread, spread the egg salad, spread, spread, spread the egg salad, spread, 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 spread. Yummy! Good job. Next, let's add a little bit of honey onto 1 slice of bread and spread it nicely. Ready? Go. Spread, spread, spread the honey. Spread, spread, spread the honey. Spread, spread, spread the honey. Spread, 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 spread. Yummy! Good. Wonderful. Now, boys and girls, put your 2 slices of bread together like this. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Looking good. Next, cut the crust of the bread off and then cut your sandwich in half. Ready? Go. Cut, cut, cut the bread. Cut, cut, cut the bread. Cut, cut, cut the bread. Cut, 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 cut. Good. And you're done. Yeah! Isn't it cute? Everyone, what food am I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am an egg salad sandwich. Woo! Can you say egg salad sandwich? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Egg salad sandwich! Wow! Good! Everyone, can you say, may I eat, please? 1, 2, 3. May I eat, please? Yes, you may. Everyone say, thank you. Great job, everyone. I will see you again next time. Bye. Enjoy your egg salad sandwich.